What is a penalty period?
The penalty period works hand in hand with the look back. And essentially, once you have handed over the information that the state requires to look at 5 years worth of your information, they're going to go through all that and they're going to determine if you've made any gifts or transfers for less than fair market value. They're going to add all of those up, and that's going to be the total amount of gifts or transfers that they will assess a penalty against you for. The way they do that is they take that total amount and they divide it by what is called a penalty period divisor. That divisor then generates a number, which is the number of months during which they will refuse to help you, even though you would be otherwise eligible and probably don't have a lot of other money to pay for your cost of care. So to give you an example, let's say the day before I go into the nursing home, I take the last $80,000 I have to my name and I give it away to someone. I then turn around and ask the state for assistance. Now let's say their penalty period divisor is $4,000. What they're going to do is they're going to divide $80,000 by $4,000, and they're going to say, Steve, even though you don't have another dime to your name, for the next 20 months, we're not going to be able to provide you any assistance. So that is the penalty period concept. Now there's a very important nuance to understand there, and it's simply put is this. The amount of money or assets that you have given away can result in penalty periods that are much shorter or much longer than 60 months. So whenever someone is looking at how long they may be required to private pay for their care, they always need to keep in the back of their mind that if you have given something away more than 60 months ago, it is no longer relevant for purposes of the penalty period calculation. So you shouldn't really be getting a 200-month penalty, and if you do, you didn't do it correctly.